Welcome to Magdalen College, University of Oxford. This is what you see when entering the college. We turn right and enter the college grounds. It's our first time to see the inside of the college.
Done.
We got to see the famous Magdalen Tower.
Ouch.
Then we entered the inside of the building. We had a look at the college chapel. Then we went out in the corridor.
What's happening there?
The students were having a Shakespeare rehearsal. We're not allowed to take any videos when they were practicing. But we got to see the beautiful college quad. We managed to see some of their rehearsals. Just do this. Such a beautiful scene. After that, we checked some other parts of the college. Look at the beautiful, massive ground.
Yeah.
It's the middle of the summer, Mummy.
My dear, oh dear.
Tiny deer.
Yeah.
Oh, there's still
You can even spot some deers under the trees, but we didn't go there anymore. There is an amazing display of plants. Sometimes you can see people on the boats here. After that, we explored the other side of the grounds. Humans are ordinary. Leaves are ordinary. The toilet area is just on the left. We visited in early August when the flowers are blooming.
white flowers over there.
Which one? Ooh. Nice. Look here then. This is the cafe.
Left queue to see the dining hall.
Thank you.
It's really worth the visit.
On that guitar.
So that's Magdalen or Magdalen College for you here in Oxford. Free to enter for those Oxford residents. Just show proof of residence like your driver's license. Thank you for watching. Video.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.